Welcome to Extra Time on Gagasi FM. Namhlanje ke siza ngolunye unyawo njengoba wazi ukuthi it's a Easter weekend. Siqala namhlanje kanti ke umsomluko. Namhlanje ke we have a special edition Extra Time esoyenza la online njengoba wazi ukuthi block party ke iyenzeka on air. Namhlanje ke sobheka a few fixtures akhona ke this weekend, especially kwi-CAF Champions League ne Confederations Cup, but akupheleli lapho njengoba wazi ukuthi ke ngale weekend le nala eMaritzburg kunama activities akhona. Sokhuluma noSandile AK47 wakandlovu about i-tournament ekhona ne-state ke se-football in this province, especially njengoba wazi ukuthi development iyona ekhulunywa kakhulu. But ke namhlanje to look at i-CAF Champions League nama possibilities ama-team akhona la eMzansi. We are joined from iFar Post but usinethemba akasithole. Jobe kaMatshana uyaphila?
Thank you so much Mthu. Ngiphila njengosheleni, ngidlalayo nempilo. Yeah, ngibonge futhi ukuba semsakazweni omkhulu. Ngeke ngaba la last year, hayi. Impela ngazi ukuthi umsakazo omkhulu ngikhonzile.
Avele senze ukuthi kube isekhaya la wena. But sinethemba kule weekend, especially kwi-game ya i-CAF Champions League. But ngifuna siqale kwi-confederations. If ubheka nakhona two coaches bazobe behlangana, Steve Barker from Stellenbosch neSimba, yena uFadlu Davids from iMaritzburg United and coach amateam amaningi la eSouth Africa. Ake sibuke labo coach abawu-2. Do you think ikhona advantage ku coach uFadlu Davids going to this encounter as kahle ukuthi ufamile nalama players nebhola elidlalwa la eSouth Africa?
For me, I think, but firstly, let me just say congratulations to both coaches. It's good for them. It's good for South African football. I think ikhona advantage for Coach Fadlu, just a slight advantage maybe, because he does know our players, he does know the league, he does know Stellenbosch, he does know Barker himself. Ngizophica just one player I coach Stellenbosch. I think that's Thabo Moloisane, the time Maritzburg United. So he knows the players. I believe ukuthi khona leyo advantage going to ilokhuzana ama legs. Kodwa ke kuyo depend ukuthi yena how is he going to use it? Is he going to be able to use that advantage, or maybe Stellenbosch are going to be stronger? You know, it's going to depend kwilokhuzana again.
And mangibuka, we're talking about the CAF Confederations Cup nakhona. Kuyaqala ukuthi both African competition okwi-Champions League ne-Confed kube khona ama-team aza-reach i-semi-final ngesikhathi esisodwa kwisizini eyodwa futhi nakhona. But kuchaza ukuthini-ke lokhu kwi-football yethu? Simba ule ucoach eTanzania, ucoach uFadlu Davids, and also looking at ama-players nakhona senyuka oPesita playing khona la e-Africa. I-standard se-football sichaza ukuthini-ke after reaching these semi-finals?
It's really going up. It's rising. I think last day we had a conversation no Coach Fadlu, and he spoke about it. What like they got inspired by Coach Pito, because yonke lento iqale ngayo ukuba nesibindi sokuthi let me go out there and show them ukuthi I can do it. He went up kwi Al Ahly Egypt, and he made history. He won CAF Champions League, League. He even won, I think, bronze medal out too, a FIFA Club World Cup, and they are following manje. Ufadlu, he went to assist to coach Joseph Zinbaum Pusisi, and waba nesibindi sokuthi I'm not going to Saudi no coach Zinbaum, but ngifuna ukuzidrivela mina now club, which is Simba, and it's big, it's huge, which is not easy, you know, to drive such a club in amafenza mangaka. I think ikhona abanye futhi coach esazobabona bephuma. I think it really talks to level football South Africa ukuthi increase. When you look at also our team CAF Champions League na CAF Confederation abasayi, just to add numbers, they are inspired also maybe by Sundowns. Sundowns has been doing well. Let's not disappoint also. Let's try and up a level ukuze, you know, I picture noma image yebhola South Africa, you know, ilokhu inyuke njalo nanokuthi futhi siphinde season the national team. So I think everything is going well. It just speaks to ilokhuzani level ukuthi ya increase.
Let's move to Champions League. I'm looking at these two teams abakwi semi-final, Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns. Looking at history yabo kuyona competition. Bobabili sebekwazile ukuyiwina, bobabili bakwazi ukureacha if semi-final ba reach final. Bobabili. But loku these two teams going to a semi-final this weekend. Do you think it's our advantage, or maybe saying advantage Pirates now ukuthi bazoqala la ekhaya before bayodlala away, but we saw game quarter final Pirates yakwazi ukuthola 3 points away from home yasadlala draw ekhaya? Do you think advantage ke manje ukuthi benze sure ukuthi la ekhaya bashayela isipili sokugcina?
It can be an advantage ukuthi uqale ekhaya. At times, you make it yourself ukuthi kube advantage ngokuthi uqale kahle ekhaya. Because when you look at both these teams, ba strong ekhaya. Pirates, it's not easy to play Pirates, not just Orlando, but here at home, South Africa. When you look at ukuthi abaka concede, I think emagemini awo 8, because I think Uchain has 8 clean sheets possesses ku CAF Champions League alone, and they haven't lost ku Champions League. And when we are qhamuka ufuna ukubashaya ekhaya, it's not going to be easy for Pyramids as well. So I think it's an advantage. You make it yourself ukuthi kube advantage. Ne Sundowns as well, siyazi ukuthi Al Ahly always find it difficult ukuthi badlale ne Sundowns uma be away Sundowns home. Because if you look at previous games, Sundowns yawina khona ngama high score babela ekhaya 5-2 5-0 mangaphosisi. So it's difficult difficult for them.
Asibuki rivalry, you talk about Sundowns ne Al Ahly. We saw a movement of coaches and players bear the opposite side. Upito, Upesita, exactly all those players. But ingakanani rivalry between Al Ahly and Sundowns.
That's why they call it now a continental derby. Some badelela bathi omunye ngimbone ethi nje ngiyakushuta ngiyazi ukuthi derby. I think it's because the tie between these two clubs has has grown indlela abayibuka ngayo abantu eAfrica. In North Africa, Sundowns is known, is well known, because I think ukushaya Al Ahly ngo 5-0 ngo 5-2 akusiyona into kaNomba. That's why Al Ahly uma iza Sundowns nayo they take them serious. They know ukuthi now kuyoliwa ke manje. So that's why they call it the African derby. And considering ukuthi Al Ahly yagcina ukushaya Sundowns ngo 2021, you can see ukuthi it's not easy for them. Sundowns nje can collect a result both home and away, because if you look at the AFL bakwazi ukuthi baba knock out. It's not easy to knock Al Ahly, so I believe the clash has grown to the level yokuthi abantu baze bekhohlwe eminye imidlalo. They want to watch this one.
And nanebhola abadlalayo between these two teams. Sundowns ibuya kule defeat Nedbank Cup from our rivals Kaizer Chiefs. But now you prepare for such game at a crucial stage ngoba sekuyi semi-final. Do you think isikhona ke pressure ncane coach ekutheni one cup is gone, this is the next cup engizomela siyithathe? Ikhona ke leyo pressure going to team efana ne Al Ahly nakhona ke ukuthi manje kumele shaye kwayona le Al Ahly?
Definitely both of them. Let me start nge Sundowns. Coach Cardoso, I think everyone knows ukuthi he was brought mainly for CAF Champions League. And if he fails ukuthi awine Nedbank Cup, now it becomes a problem, because in Nedbank Cup bekunokuthi hayi vele it's another thing that you can win, coach. So CAF Champions League, it's a big thing for his Sundowns. If he fails ukuthi I win, it's more pressure for him, because ngimzwile nje ethi ayikho pressure, but uma sikhuluma iqiniso there's pressure, because if you look at indlela abadlala ngayo, you can see there's, I don't want to say it's lack of aggression, but aggression has kind of dipped directness in their game, hence creation of opportunities, ayisafani ngendlela and uma ungakwazi ukcreate kakhulu opportunities, that's where the problem is. Kwi-CAF cause kwi-CAF kuwina ngama-goal. I think it's more pressure for him because I think maybe if he wins la ekhaya mhlambe kuzoba khona lelo themba nyana, but maybe he can win. You can't take it away from him because naye he has shown kancane ukuthi he can be a good coach because he can read the game. Maybe at times you have seen him shintsha information maybe the second half and then afake those effective substitutes mhlambe bashintshe game and stuff. Maybe he can do it, but I think it's pressure. It's pressure on him. It will be important ukuthi by plan njani game.
Ukhuluma about planning, especially against such club. There were a lot of talks midweek. Game mistake from the left back position.
Yeah.
Do you then change your squad going to this encounter ngoba sekuthe now uyalibona iphutha for such players?
Surely you have to change. For me, you have to change. I heard nje Ukekana, I think Nomabunda recently speaking about the fact that you don't have to change a player because you lose the confidence. But in this case, we I think fans don't care about whether the player will lose confidence or not. This is CAF Champions League we're speaking about, and they have to win it because it's a chance you win and for me he is Musa Lebusa, someone who has experience in this, someone who knows how to play Alahi, someone who knows how to play in front of big crowd Epitori or Egypt. Put Musa Lebusa if Lambo Sabu to cause mncane. For me, I would make a change if Cardoso put this guy who's experienced who can deal with this.
And also, Sundowns, it's very important for them to reach a final.
Yeah.
But Orlando Pirates, I think it was back 2013 or 2014, if I'm not mistaken, reaching a semi-final.
Yeah.
Now you've won in Nedbank Cup twice, MTN 8 3 times. Well, okwamanje ama-calculations awakuvumi to league.
Yeah.
Coach is going against Pyramid. Nayo, if we beg log, has been doing quite well. But as Orlando Pirates, everyone uyibonile indlela ephike ngayo the past 2 seasons. Season yokugcina like a coach or Jose Riviero.
Yeah.
Let's look at kuma players nakhona. Ikhona leyo hunger yokuthi asivalelise coach with a cup. Do you think Yoni Hange ngabawinisa against the Pyramid to reach the finals?
If you look at maybe last 2-3 games since Njebeleni lokuthi the coach is leaving. Yes, they are winning ngabo 1-0, but there's fight. There's burning desire within them ukuthi okay, noma singasawinanga maybe kahle. But as long as we win, as long as we get the result for the coach. I was speaking to Lakile Khwati, he speaks the same thing. Maybe this is what is going to, to put Leon players. Let's fight for the coach. Because there's this monkey at the back, Okulumangayo, they want to win a big trophy. They've won Nedbank Cup 3 times. They've won 2 times. They've won MTN 3 times, which is maybe kind of boring for some fans. We want something big. And league, it's not promising, although mathematically, but they want this significant achievement. That's different from Nedbank Cup and MTN 8, and they are favorites. Win Champions League. If they pass this, I think because it's a toughest test for them, the Pyramids, because I think wonke amaklub abasadlala now, if you compare them the Pyramids, it's the toughest test for them. But burning desire is surely there.
But do you think coach mentally he's also prepared for the CAF Champions League? For an example, last season, the past 2 seasons, they were knocked out early first time. Bazama the second round, manje they're in the semi-finals. Do you think now coach will say a method? Coach Jose Riviero, you could see at least akwazi ukufika kwi-final. Leyo mentality usenayo.
Exactly. I think he has learned, man. I think he has learned. He learned last year. Bedliwa kwilokhuzana kwi-preliminary round, and he came back, he washanela nje kwi-preliminary round, which shows ukuthi he learned kuma-preliminary rounds. And now the group stages kwadlula nje kwalula kuma-group stages.
Yeah.
Ukuthi they haven't lost the game, it says something. For me to go to MC Alger ngaleya ndlela ukuthi avoid conceding a goal even though uhlaselwa ngaleya ndlela, it says something. The coach knows the importance to win the game. Naye unayo lento ukuthi we don't want to play hlambe fancy, but the results
Play
are
for
important.
results,
Yeah, I think isikhona lento kuyena le ndlela lokuthi maybe let's grind the results. You know, I think he has that ability. So I believe ukuthi he can be able to pass Pyramids.
We spoke about these two cups, so we MTN ne-Nedbank. If you look at the squad say Orlando Pirates, i-Pirates ikwazile ukureacha i-semi-final due to youngster scoring the solitary goal away from home.
Yeah.
And Nedbank Cup final, the youngster.
Yeah.
Now he was called ku under 20 Umbogazi nakhona ngathi team ngeke imvumele ihambe.
Yeah.
Do you give these young stars a chance in quick game efana ne-semi-final, big game kwi-Orlando Pirates? Abafana uNkotha, abafana oMbogazi, abafana oMofokeng. Do you give them the chance kule game ye-Pyramid?
I think for me, among the youngsters that have been playing, Unkotha, Urele, Mfokeng, no net defender, Umbogazi. I think they're strong enough to deal with any game that they play. Yes, obviously one will say lack of experience, but I think they're strong enough. Mentally to deal with a crowd, to deal with everything. Someone was speaking about Umbogazi ukuthi. People are saying, how is he able to play in front of a huge crowd? Most of the time, so the boys are able to deal with that. Look at Umbogazi's performance against the Sundowns. Was contain Ribera ngakhona. Look at his performance against MC Alger away. Look at ilokhuzana indlela crowd le eyayilokhuza ebahlukumeza ngayo, but he's able to deal with these guys. So I think Pyramids nakhona there's no need to change. Once you change something engadinga ukuchange okwesinye isikhathi uzoyona.
Sesivala nje 3 teams, Stellies Sunday, these two ayadlala my Friday. Looking at lawa team our 3 asiqale nge-Stellies.
Yeah.
Do you foresee them getting a positive result, and what would be maybe a possible score?
I think a 1-1 draw, because these guys always have a goal. That's what I like about them. Even if bangangadlala kahle, they always have a goal. Going to score a Cairo against Zamalek is not an easy thing. So there's lento le you grow mental strength kwilokhuzana kwi-Stellenbosch. They've got pedigree now when it comes to ama cups, fight cup competition. So I see them coming back with it. Maybe 1-1 for me, fair.
Pirates escodini. Siyazi escodini abavamisile ukuthi badedele ama-points.
Yeah.
Wow, this is Pyramid after all. Akona noma yiphi team.
Yeah.
Jose wathi supporters will play a key role. We've seen the past games, the Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Do you foresee them getting a positive result, possible score?
I can give them 1-0 because, as I said, Pyramids is not just any team. They also have lost, I think, 1 game with CAF Champions League, which also speaks to ubunzima bokudlala nabo. So it's a toughest challenge for a Pirate, but nento yokuthi vele they don't concede easily. For me, I see them being able maybe to come out with a clean sheet, but also maybe they can score 1-0.
Pretoria, disappointing results.
Yeah.
Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
This is big for this team of Mamelodi Sundowns. For them, ukuze babuyisele lo themba kuma supporters.
Yeah.
Uyayibona iwini kubona.
I see a win. Even though Al Ahly have a pedigree also with Champions League, I think they haven't been as strong or as sharp as we know them, especially in this Champions League campaign, and also with league. If we struggle with league locally, Egypt, but 2-1 for me, because just like Stellenbosch, Al Ahly always have a goal. And it's gonna be hard if they do score 2-1.
Well, we'll see 2-1 to Mamelodi Sundowns. But before Sivale nje, let's hear from Usandile or AK47 Wagandlovu about the development yama players and also nale game esikhuluma ngayo ye-Sundowns and also Orlando Pirates. Welcome to the second edition of the Extra Time on Gagasi FM. This is a special edition as we build up to le weekend or Easter weekend. Sitting next to me, uyazi ngiyashake ilegend le maungayazi ibidubla elinye igol. I think negama lakhe liqhamuke lapho abathu AK47 ngoba ubeshaya ibhola lihambene net. Namhlanje ke kuyintokozo enkulu ukuthina la kwiGagasi FM ukuthi sikhulume naye. Mfaka Gatsheni asikubingelele kwiGagasi FM.
Simso ngiyabonga mfethu, ngiyabingelela nabalandeli beGagasi FM mfethu.
Ngiyazi ukuthi namhlanje sihlangene la eMaritzburg ngenxa yokuthi ke iMeya isibizile athi kunama games akhona. But ngifuna sibuyele emumva. Masithi AK47, it's because umsebenzi wakho obuwenza. But sisekukhalwe kakhulu ngedevelopment, kwakhala kakhulu nangebhola in SA. Lama games aqalwa iMeya, ngiyabona khona no under 17, under 18. Ibaluleke kangakanani kwi-development yethu?
No, one initiative le Meya njoba eqalile 5 years ago. At the cause it was a team. I was one of those teams. A team yami bikhona bla bla bafana bame development. So manje igrowth yayo ngiyibona inkulu and pick up to him ukuthi akwazi ukuthi afake nama team because one day kade 10 i-tournament yakhe i-development but manje we were questioning it ukuthi abantu abadala kuphela. So seeing ukuthi kuno under 13, 15, 17, under 19 siyabona manje because ama-team manje PSL afuna u-17 years ku-TTC afuna u-19 years me-exceptional bamthatha. So nje ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ama-scout i-opportunity yawo le ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asondele azobheka ama-player because makhona ingane ezincane ama-team amaningi mayasena ama-development. So kuba ukuthi uthatha umfana because ama-development i-environment ayifani eyethu thina esi-developer la emakhaya neyabo professional. So bangambona umfana right, then they nature him bamkhulise kahle bese yakwazi ukuthi naye agcine seyisiza mhlawumbe i-team professional level.
Sandile ukubone kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi la eKZN besinabantu abafana nani, sinabantu abafana noNtokozo la eMaritzburg nje specifically besino Skuda, sino OJ la kade sikwazi ukuproduce khona ama players. Yini lesi sivimba kangaka manje to see umfana wasembala, umfana wase Ashdown ekwazi ukuthi ashine ayo representa kwiPSL?
The biggest problem la ngibonayo, there was this academy called Transnet. La coaches khona o coach Onkosiyezwe, o coach Uzef, o coach Thabo. So like guys, they had an opportunity ukuthi bakwazi ukuhamba baye goma School of Excellence. And two, la eMaritzburg we used to have ama games Midlands ey'ngane ama junior games, but lokho manje akusenzeki. And manje thina esinama development or esinama academy amancane, we are trying by all means ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi abafana siba expose but ama-resources and i-funding we don't have i-support ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi mangithi mhlambe ngifuna ukuhamba nabafana mhlambe siyodlala namaZulu or siyodlala mhlambe eGoli sikwazi ukuthi sihambe nabo bonke abafana because those boys esibajimisayo they come from different families, abanye ba-disadvantage okuworse yabo. So manje bayidinga support as nathi as ama-academy wama-development amancane, i-support esidinga ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi ba-expose labafana freely, siba expose kahle labafana. Ngicabanga ukuthi lonto le njalo mhlawumbe ukuthi if mhlawumbe ngingafocus kakhulu ekutheni whatever department whatever development la khona aziwa ukuthi asebenza azama kube ukuthi mhlawumbe bazonakwa then soba nayo mhlawumbe into ethi awunaba abanye
Seeing ama-team ofana no-Sundowns no-Pirates, Fadlu Davids and also iSteelers benza kahle kanje kwi-camp competition, kusho ukuthini-ke ngebhola lethu la eSouth Africa?
No, ibhola lethu manje it's going back to la vele sifuna khona la sikhona. Mongabheka masingakhuluma mhlambe ngama-team amaningi iSundowns iqalile ukudlala kahle kakhulu kade ilido ubani ilido uPitso Mosimane ilidwa ucoach Manqoba Mnqithi ilidwa uRulani labo coach abalaphi abocoach bala eSouth Africa what style are they playing the style sala sethu ukuthi abafana they must express themselves ngale style sethu sala eSouth Africa mawuzobheka Orlando Pirates whoever coach ofika kalona Pirates uMandla Ncikazi is always there. Look at this boy Uril Mandla Ncikazi ebuya Golden Arrows wala eSouth Africa uyayazi ukuthi yini efuna siyenze thina la yenziwa oJabu Puli. So still is those colored boys you can see abo Titans skill they're playing South African football with no fear. So that is why no fat njobe lapho Fatu David I product yalapha la South Africa because naye igroom yakhe iqale kwiMaritzburg United although he was also under Middendorp but uthena maseseqhubeka wayenza imisebenzi emihle wazi wahamba waya na Pirates so manje which means manje iyangena kancane lento yokuthi coach bala eSouth Africa self kumele ama-team ala eSouth Africa babunikeze chance and bathembele kubona because if you can look at the teams ala eSouth Africa was 16 mhlawumbe ama-team anama coaches mhlawumbe angaphandle mhlawumbe u3 or 4 or 5 or 6 it shows ukuthi manje ne competition manje izoba enkulu ngoba even ucoach Bafana naye uzoba ne problem okukhetha ngoba wonke ama-team manje standard sawo asinyusile.
What would be advice yakho umuntu oseyihambile lendlela kulabafana abancane abafakwa kangaka ipressure ukuthi mabengena kumele bashintshe isimo seteam omdusha balalo orile and also Mbokazi bonke labo ma players ungathini kubona iword of advice asebefike kuleli zinga le premiership?
About to be honest with you lezi intwana lezi mina into engayicela nje the very important thing engayicela kubona ukuthi amakhanda ngabe makhulu amakhanda bangabi makhulu they must be humbled badlale because one model Pirates akusho usugcine ukudlala iPirates model Pirates funa ube must have an ambition of I want to play for Bafana I want to play mhlambe overseas mawuhlambe Barcelona Spain Manchester City Manchester United so if ukuthi manje wena uzodlala eSouth Africa ngoba sikujabulela bese ucabanga ukuthi wena mhlambe ikhanda lizoba likhulu uzogcina khona la eSouth Africa so bona even ama surrounding even those people who are close to bona labafana lapha ngizothi nabo because ibona ama influencers abo because nomfana lo after game uyena kuqala amtshela ukuthi mfana ushisile lapha aphinde futhi nomfana ucoach memfaka ngesecond half noma ngamdlalisanga athi lo coach wakugangela mfana ushisa kanje lapho semnika lo mfana lo semnikeza attitude it happens to us nathi kade sadlala but we tried and come back yabo so nabo labafana labo I so wish ukuthi nabo bangathi nje mina ngidlala ibhola ake ngidlala ibhola ngize ngifinyele because it's only few years it's not going to be 20 years it's not going to be 30 years it's only few years ukuthi udlale look at this boy Umbokazi he comes from a development esemakhaya wadlala kwi-engine after engine straight to iPirate DDC within few years few months usekusenior team usekwilentozana futhi usekumajita futhi so yena nje nabo bonke labafana laba kufanele benze show ukuthi mina igoli yami uthi ngifike phezulu but akangathi mehamba akabehambula bingelela abantu respect abantu respect ucoach wakhe respect ibadge respect everything this is close angashintshi athi manje hayi ngeke mina sengimkhulu akabe nje yena abehambula adlala ibhola lakhe.
AK47, thank you so much for joining us namhlanje. Sengizokulinda ku part 2.
Asibonge bafo sibonge nakubalaleli begagasi sithi beqhubekane lilaleli gagasi niqhamuke na ku social media nibe interested entweni ezenwe gagasi phambili siyabonga.
Thank you so much for joining us namhlanje ku Extra Time on Gagasi FM. Well, it was a special edition lalela ke uMike akekho namhlanje. Kukhona into ayoyilungisa kwiOrlando Pirates. But on Monday so kubuyela nama answer ukuthi kade yokwenzani kwiPirates yini enzekalayo ba uhambayo uba ohlalayo. This is Extra Time. Job, asibonga kakhulu ukusijoyina namhlanje kwi-Extra Time.
Sibonga. Next time.
Ukwifa post lo mjida lo. Uyena lo usuke ekhipha indaba zona. Thank you so much for joining us namhlanje kwi-Extra Time. We're back on Monday.